everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're talking about a topic that is near and dear to every gardener's heart, the perennial flower garden. If you've ever dreamed of a lush, colorful landscape that practically takes care of itself, you're in the right place. Stick around because we're going to define what a perennial garden is, explore its incredible benefits, and most excitingly, show you 10 of the most beautiful perennial garden ideas to inspire your own outdoor oasis. So, what exactly is a perennial flower garden? The word perennial simply means lasting for a long time. Unlike annual flowers, which complete their life cycle in a single growing season and need to be replanted every year, perennial plants return year after year. Their roots and crowns survive the winter, and they re-emerge in the spring, ready to bloom again. A perennial garden is a curated collection of these plants, designed to provide continuous beauty with minimal effort, making it the cornerstone of any sustainable and low-maintenance landscape. Now, why should you choose perennials for your garden? The benefits are simply fantastic. First and foremost, they save you a ton of time and money. Imagine not having to buy and replant new flowers every single spring. Once established, perennials are incredibly resilient and require less water and attention than their annual counterparts. This makes them a more environmentally friendly choice. Furthermore, a well-designed perennial garden provides a dynamic, ever-changing tapestry of color and texture throughout the seasons. As different plants bloom at different times, your garden remains a lively and captivating space from spring to fall. Lastly, many perennials are fantastic for local ecosystems, attracting pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, turning your yard into a thriving hub of life. Creating a stunning perennial garden is all about thoughtful design. Start by considering the bones of your garden, its shape, layout, and pathways. Use a mix of plant heights, placing tall plants in the back of a bed, medium-sized ones in the middle, and shorter, sprawling plants along the edges to create a layered, full look. Focus on a variety of textures and leaf shapes, not just flowers. Combining plants with fine, feathery foliage next to those with large, bold leaves can create a dramatic visual effect. Don't forget to think about color palettes. You can go for a harmonious scheme with a few complementary colors or a bold, vibrant display. Adding non-living elements like decorative stones, a small bench, or a beautiful arbor can also add structure and personality, making your garden a true outdoor living room. To help you get started, here are some of the best and most reliable perennial plants that are easy to grow and look amazing in almost any garden. First, coneflower. Known for its daisy-like flowers and prominent central cone, a magnet for butterflies and available in a wide range of colors. Second, daylily. Extremely hardy and comes in a huge variety of colors. Its blooms last for only a day, but the plant produces so many that it provides a long blooming season. Third, black-eyed Susan. A classic with bright yellow petals and a dark brown center. It's tough, drought-tolerant, and perfect for adding a pop of color in late summer. Fourth, peony. Prized for its large, fragrant, and lush flowers. It can be a long-term investment as it can live for decades. Fifth, hostas. While not a flowering plant, hostas are a must-have for their incredible foliage. They thrive in shade and provide beautiful texture and color with their diverse leaves. Sixth, salvia. A long-blooming perennial that produces spires of beautiful flowers, often in shades of blue and purple. It's great for attracting pollinators and adding vertical interest. Seventh, phlox. Known for its large clusters of fragrant flowers, phlox comes in both tall garden varieties and low-growing ground covers. Eighth, hydrangea. A showstopper with its massive, long-lasting flower clusters. The color of the blooms can sometimes be changed by altering the soil's pH. Let's get inspired. Here are our top 10 perennial garden ideas to get you started on your own design masterpiece. 1. The curated cottage garden bed. This garden bed is a perfect example of a classic cottage style, where a mix of colors and textures creates a joyful, vibrant scene. The curving gravel path and manicured boxwood edging provide a clean, structured frame for the wild, informal beauty of the flowers. Plants like black-eyed Susans, Rudbeckia, and purple aster-like flowers are layered beautifully, creating a visual feast that draws the eye. The variety of colors, from cheerful yellows and fiery oranges to calming purples and whites, ensures that there's always something in bloom. This design showcases how a blend of heights and shapes, from the upright stalks to the bushy ground cover, can create depth and interest in any garden space. 2. The colorful and abundant garden path. This incredible garden showcases the power of dense, abundant planting. The path is almost swallowed by a magnificent overflow of color, with a mix of perennials and some annuals to fill in the gaps for continuous bloom. The use of hanging baskets and large pots adds vertical interest and a sense of overflowing plenty. This design is perfect for those who want their garden to feel like a magical, immersive experience, where every inch is filled with beautiful flowers. It's a testament to the fact that you can never have too many flowers. 3. The lush and layered mixed foliage bed. This garden bed is a masterclass in using both flowers and foliage to create a dynamic display. The towering purple phlox and bright yellow daylilies provide the main color pops, but the real star here is the variety of leafy plants. The deep red and orange coleus add striking contrast, while the fine-textured green ground cover softens the edges. This design demonstrates that you don't need an explosion of color everywhere to have a beautiful garden. A strategic use of different leaf shapes and hues can be just as impactful. 4. The classic hydrangea and coneflower border. This is a timeless and popular pairing for any garden. The large, mounded heads of the pink hydrangeas provide a wonderful sense of fullness, while the purple coneflowers add a structured, daisy-like charm. The inclusion of a spiky juniper shrub in the foreground and a lacy red barberry in the back creates a rich tapestry of textures. This design works so well because it combines two reliable and long-blooming perennials with complementary foliage, creating a low-maintenance yet high-impact garden space. 5. The serene woodland retreat. This stunning design demonstrates how to create a tranquil garden oasis, even in a shaded area. A beautiful rustic bench nestled among the trees invites a moment of quiet reflection, turning the garden into a true extension of the home. The ground is covered with a lush mix of hostas and other shade-loving perennials, which provide a beautiful mosaic of green foliage. The path, lined with various flowering plants, beckons you to stroll and discover the hidden beauty within. This idea proves that a garden can be more than just a place for flowers. It can be a peaceful retreat for the mind and soul. 6. The grand and abundant garden border. This image is a masterclass in creating a sense of grandeur and abundance. The massive, fluffy white hydrangeas and the tall, striking blue agapanthus create a breathtaking display of volume and color. Interspersed with these are cheerful yellow black-eyed Susans, which add a delightful contrast. The deep burgundy foliage in the foreground adds a rich, dark tone that makes the lighter colors pop. This layered and full planting style demonstrates how to use a variety of plant forms and colors to create a truly spectacular, professional-looking garden border. 7. The tiered rock wall garden. This image showcases a fantastic way to utilize sloped or uneven terrain. The natural stone retaining wall not only prevents erosion, but also provides a stunning backdrop for a tiered garden. The bold yellow and purple irises create a dramatic focal point at the top, while a mix of vibrant, low-growing perennials like yellow alyssum and purple phlox spill over the rock edges. The contrast between the rugged texture of the stones and the soft, colorful flowers is absolutely captivating. This design is both functional and beautiful, proving that a rock wall can be a feature of a garden, rather than just a necessity. 8. The polished and colorful front yard garden. This front yard design proves that a perennial garden can be both incredibly colorful and meticulously tidy. A well-defined, curving bed flows seamlessly from the house to the lawn, filled with a beautiful mix of flowering perennials. The careful selection of different heights, from the low-growing coleus in shades of red and lime green to the towering ornamental grasses and black-eyed Susans, creates a sense of effortless abundance. The pink coneflowers and white petunias add a soft touch, making this garden an inviting and cheerful welcome to any home. 9. The classic countryside garden. This quintessential country garden combines a sense of history with a riot of floral beauty. The rustic wooden house provides a warm, natural backdrop for a lush array of perennials. A simple white archway hints at a romantic entry, draped with climbing vines. The garden beds are packed with a diverse mix of phlox, daylilies, and other vibrant blooms in every color imaginable. The inclusion of a tall, sculptural conifer adds a year-round structural element, ensuring the garden retains its charm even in the colder months. 10. The All-Star Front Garden Bed. This design is a bold and cheerful statement. The star of the show is a cluster of towering sunflowers, which instantly add height, drama, and a touch of rustic charm. Surrounding them are deep purple salvia and other colorful low-growing flowers that create a rich underplanting. The manicured boxwood hedge at the front adds a clean, formal line that contrasts beautifully with the wilder, more informal feel of the flowers behind it. This garden bed proves that you can mix and match different plant scales and styles to create a unique and captivating display. I hope these incredible gardens have given you all the inspiration you need to start your own perennial paradise. Remember, a perennial garden is a long-term investment in beauty and a wonderful way to connect with nature right in your own backyard. It's a garden that gives back to you year after year. What do you think? Which of these perennial garden ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our new content. Until next time, happy gardening!